Hi guys, I'm Silas. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download QQ for PC or Mac and how to use it on PC or Mac. You may only know QQ is a social media and instant message app. Actually, QQ is far more than you think. I think you can find a lot of software that's better than QQ. You don't believe it? Let me show you. On PC, you can do a lot of things. You can start a lesson for your students or have a meeting with colleagues. Share your screen with others. It's a free screen recorder software and take screenshot software, remote control software, send big size files online or offline. Of course, including video call and voice call, sort of things like every social media have those functions. All in one software, and all those functions are free to use. Download QQ for PC or Mac. Open browser, tap QQ official webpage URL im.qq.com. Click on here, 下载. You can download QQ for Windows, QQ for phone, QQ for iPhone and Android, QQ Mac version, all in this page. Click here to download QQ Mac version. I'm using Windows, so click here to download QQ for Windows. Save the QQ client file. Okay, download finished. Click it to install QQ software. Click here to go to Customize option. Here is for you to choose which folder path you want to install, and click here to choose which folder path to save QQ data and files. After customization, check here to agree to the privacy policy and terms of users. And then click on 立即安装 to install it. Now open QQ on your PC, enter your QQ number here and the password here. Check here to enable login automatically when you open QQ software. And check here to save password. You don't need to enter the password every time. Click here, this QR code. You can log in QQ on PC by scanning this QR code on your mobile phone, but you need to log in QQ on your phone, and then click this plus icon and tap 扫一扫 to scan this QR code. If you're first time logging on PC or Mac, it might require you scan the QR code with QQ Mobile, then you should use this way. I don't want to use this way, so I go back. Click Download to login. Look, I select QQ head on the edge of the screen. Hover mouse here, it will show up. Now let me show you how to set up QQ software on PC. Click here and click 设置. That is the setting option. Please uncheck this one and this one, as this is useless to most people and quite annoying. This one is setting for hiding automatically on the edge of the screen. Make sure to check here, check this one. It will show you today's weather. Sometimes you don't anyone knows you are online. You can set it up here. The first one, online. Second one is I'm free now, please chatting with me. The third one, left, I'm not online. The fourth one is I'm busy. This one is don't bother me. The last one is hidden. Nobody will see you online. It looks like you are not logged in QQ. Here you can set an automatic reply message. This section is the notification settings. Please turn on the new message notification. Next one is email notification. Once you got QQ account, you also got QQ mail. The QQ ID plus at qq.com, that is your email address, and these two are useless, just turn them off. This is the sound setting. Check here to turn the sound off. Before we install the QQ software, there is a setting for file folder. If you forgot to set it up, you can set it right here. Once you set it down, all the files like audio, video, document files are all in this folder. By the way, you can customize shortcut here or just use the default settings. This is very useful. especially when you need to take a screenshot or record screen, and you can set the ways to send message. Click Ctrl plus Enter to send message, or just click on Enter to send message. Now let's see how to take screenshot with QQ. On the chatting dialog, click here. You can see the shortcut. The first one is screenshot option. Click it or hold Ctrl Alt plus A on the keyboard, and then select the region you need. Ctrl V to paste the screenshot image and send to your friend. Or you can save the screenshot image by clicking on this download icon. And there are many tools for you to edit the image. The second one is screen record. You don't need any other software to record your screen. Ctrl Alt plus S and select the region you want to record. You can use the tools to edit. Very useful. Click the time counting here to stop it. Then it will pop out the screen record video. Click on the download icon here to save it to your PC. Let's see the result. Looks great. You can see the voice call and video calls here. On your chatting dialog, click the three dots icon. This one is the teacher's favorite. Share the whiteboard with your students or colleagues. Let me show you. And you can see the whiteboard on phone or PC. You can see what I'm doing at the same time. It is good app like Zoom to do lecture meetings. The most important thing is it is all free to use. And also, you can share your screen with others. Select the region you want to share with. The difference between Whiteboard and share screen is Whiteboard is only that part is shared. Others can only see that whiteboard part. The screen sharing, others will see the screen that you're sharing. Others will see exactly the same as you see. Besides, sometimes you will meet some issue or problems on your computer. You don't know how to fix it. For example, you don't know how to close the software, how to make a PPT. In this case, you need someone to help you, but they are not around. You can request the remote control. Your friends or colleagues can control your computer remotely to help you, and you can send files like folder, audio, video, document, zip file to your friend. What I like most is sending big size file. That's Chinese people like most. It is use P2P protocol, so the file transfer fastly. You can send file online or offline. If your friend is offline, then the file will be sent to your friend offline. The file will be saved to server for 1 week. And click here to send email to your friend. It will direct you to the mailbox. Look, you can do so much useful things just in one software. Otherwise, you need to download at least 3 software to do those things. And you can explore other fun features by your own. If you know any other software has all those functions, please let me know and comment below. Thank you. See you guys.